In this exercise tutorial, I'm going to be taking you through how you can do a single arm shrug with a looped elastic band. Now remember, these come in lots of different strengths, so make sure you pick a strength that's applicable for you. So what we're going to do here is work each side independently. It's fantastic if you're looking to contract one side and get a really good contraction. Maybe you've got one side stronger than the other and you're looking to increase your weaker side. You can always do more reps on that weaker side to build it up over time. Now, firstly, what I want you to do is I want you to stand on the elastic band. Once you're on the elastic band, you want your shoulder to come back, pinch the shoulder blades together, even on the side that you're not working. And then from this position, brace your core, chin up, and then from this position, you're going to come directly up and back down. So think about bringing your shoulder in the direction of your ear, up towards the ceiling, big contraction, and slowly back down. Make sure the shoulder doesn't start to drop forwards. Make sure you're keeping that retracted position with the shoulder blades as you come up, big squeeze, and slowly back down. So you can see from a side-on view, again, I'm going to stand on the elastic band that I'm using. From this position, core braced, looking up, chest up, shoulder back, and then from your start position, you're going to come directly up with the shoulder, big contraction of the trapezius, and slowly back down. Up, big contraction of your upper trapezius, and slowly back down. You can do this with a TheraBand as well. So if you don't have a looped band and you just have a single band, copy exactly the same steps as which I did, just make sure the bands are long enough for the exercise. As I said previously, you can either decide to do exactly the same repetitions on both sides, or if you are looking to even up muscle imbalances, you can do more repetitions on your weaker side, if you have one, to build up over time strength and symmetry between both sides.